Hi everyone, I'm Hari Krishnan. I'm from Siddhanga Institute of Technology, Tumkur, Karnataka. So, Agersense. So, have you heard of that name? No, I guess. So, Agersense is a system which I developed. Agersense is an IOT system which makes agriculture better. So, Agersense was derived from the Latin word ager, which means field, and sense, which senses everything around us, the work which our sense organs do. So what does the sense organs do? They sense the physical variables which is around us. So Agersense system has three components. The components are, the first one, the Agersense node, the Agersense base station, and the Agersense control station. So the Agersense node, what does that do? Agersense node senses the data, the physical variables, the form variables. And what are the form variables? For example, the photo, the light, the soil moisture, the temperature of the soil, or anything else. So what does a node do? It takes in the data and it processes, which has an MCU, usually an mega MCU, and it sends that data over a Wi-Fi module. Here things are not wired, they are just connected wirelessly. So the wireless data, the data sent on the wireless is sent from the node to the base station where the processing of the data is done. So base station can be a computer. For example, you can use a low power computer like a Raspberry Pi or a BeagleBone Black, and what it does is that it processes the data, and it is processed using a Python script. So the data is tabulated. It's tabulated using a MySQL database, and all the data, for example, the temperature or the moisture from each node or sensor is recorded. And that is processed using the Python script. And the processed data is sent to the control station. And what does the control station do? Control station either switches off an electric fence, switches off or switches on a pump, opens or closes a valve, anything, any actuation can be done over there. And actually the on and off signal is sent from the base station to the control station. Agersense comes as a boon to the agriculture enthusiast society as well as the farmer community. The farmer community need not spend lots of time on manual labor. They can instead spend that time on improving their scientific know-how about farming and on marketing. And the agriculture enthusiast society, who don't want to spend much time on manual labor, can just switch on the Agersense system and they can still find their plants green. So consider an instance. You're going to a native or something for a week. You're leaving your plants alone in your house. So who's going to water them? There comes Agersense. Switch on the Agersense system and you can still find your plants green after 7 days or more. So basically, Agersense is an IoT-based agriculture system which keeps your plants healthy and safe, and hence more profit. Thank you guys.